You do see him.
Calling case number 2405-708901. People of the state of Michigan versus Anthony Nelson. Defendant is charged in count 1, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. Count 2, domestic violence aggravated. Counts 3 and 4, child abuse, 4th degree.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mark Magidson on behalf of Mr. Nevels, P number 25581. Mr. Nevels, could you state your name for the record?
You have to unmute yourself, sir.
Anthony Nevels.
All right, what's your pleasure, Mr. Magidson?
Judge, I did speak with Mr. Nevels, and we would like to schedule a date and time for a preliminary examination.
We can do May 20th at 12 o'clock.
If I could just quickly check my calendar. May 20th at, well, I have a, yeah, I think we can do that. I have to be in Novi at 1:30 on a bench trial, but this shouldn't take that long. So if we can do 12 o'clock, that would be great.
Okay, 12 o'clock it is. Bond will be continued. Thank you.
Well, Judge, may I address the bond if I could? I was talking to Mr. Nevels. Apparently, there was a bond hearing some time ago. I wasn't present, but there other capable people were handling that. And apparently, he was given a bond with a tether about a week ago, and he's been waiting patiently for a tether. He recognizes, I haven't seen the bond conditions, but I would imagine there's a no contact provision with his, the complaining witness is his wife. But he does have a place to stay other than his home. And so I would ask that, it's been a week, I don't know why he doesn't have the tether, but I would ask that he be released. He has a phone. When a tether's available, they can call him and he'll go and get fitted with the tether, but it seems unreasonable to keep him in jail while some tether people, or there's a tether shortage. I don't know the reason for why he doesn't have a tether, but he doesn't have it.
Ms. Drain?
Your Honor, I'm not sure what the issue is with tether, but I'm asking that we give this a little bit more time so that they can put the tether on.
Just by way with just a little background, my client has no prior criminal history. I mean, it's the first time is always a bad time, but if there was at least a history to show that he's a danger to society or a danger to others, that would be one thing. He's up until recently he had been employed. Unfortunately, due to this absence from work, his job may now no longer be available. But nevertheless, he has no criminal history, and he's, you know, as a result, he doesn't have a history of missing court, and so and we're not opposed to the tether. It's just that it seems that if the court says he's eligible for a personal bond with a GPS tether, there should be, that then shouldn't be his burden to come up with the tether in that sense. So I would just simply ask that all the conditions remain in effect, the no contact, he understands that, and he's under court order. And so just to allow him out while the tether is secured.
Mr. Nevels, where are you going to be tethered to?
My father's house in Pontiac.
How long have you been in custody?
I've been in custody since Saturday before last, so May 4th.
May 4th, you probably got a rain May 6th or 7th, right?
I believe so, yes. Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do, Mr. Magidson, is I'm going to give them to Thursday to get the tether on him. If he doesn't have the tether on him, then I'll relieve him of that condition, that bond condition. So let me know Thursday if he's still in custody awaiting a tether.
I will, Judge. Do you want me to prepare an order to that effect?
Sure, you can do that.
Okay, so, and we'll check on Thursday as to his status and take it from there.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Mr. Nevers, I'll be in touch with you.
All right. Next up, Mr. Konecki.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning, sir. What can I do for you?
I have two PCCs, a Samed Maya and a Macario Lopez.
Okay, so Lopez retained Ms. Crouch,
Okay,
but you still have Maya.
perfect.
They're ready on Maya or Mia.
Calling case number 2405706801. People of the state of Michigan versus Samed Mia. Defendant is charged in count 1, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. Count 2, domestic violence.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
And may it
Good
please the court, Neighborhood
Okay.
Defender Service of Detroit, Jeffrey,
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
hang on. Looks like Mr. Haddad I'm guessing may be here for Mr. Mia. Is that correct,
Oh.
sir?
That's correct, Your Honor. We just filed an appearance yesterday. I apologize. I did not let Mr. Noki know.
Not a problem. You couldn't have timed it better.
Okay, good.
Okay, your appearance for the record, sir?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Your appearance?
Ferris Haddad, P71538 on behalf of Mr. Mia.
Mr. Mia, tell us your name for the record.
Ahmed Mia.
Okay, what's your pleasure, counsel?
Your Honor, I was just recently retained. We'd like to gather discovery and set this for another PCC.
Is there a possibility this may resolve itself short of an exam?
There's a possibility. I'm not sure. I haven't had the opportunity to talk to sister counsel at the prosecutor's office this morning.
Well, I don't think any offer is going to be forthcoming at this stage of the proceedings. So the reason I ask is if this is definitely going to go to exam, then we need to set the exam date now. But if there's a possibility that he may waive, then I can give you another PCC and let you have an opportunity to discuss that with your client as well as receive the discovery.
Ms. Drain, if there will not be any offers at the district court level, I guess we could just set it for an exam as long as if the court would allow us to set it out far enough to try to gather as much discovery as possible.
Ms. Drain, how soon can you get the discovery?
I will send him the paper and digital discovery this morning.
All right. So I'll set the matter for preliminary examination on May 22nd at 9 o'clock. Is that a good date and time?
That's fine, Your Honor.
All right, May 22nd at 9 o'clock, bond will be continued.
Oh, Your Honor, there is an issue with Bond. He's on a GPS tether, and the address he cannot go to is his home. However, his wife, who is the complainant in this matter, no longer lives there. She is gone. She has not given him a forwarding address, obviously, but she doesn't live there at all. She hasn't been there since this incident occurred. And so I guess I'd like to request either that he be allowed to return to his home or that a bond services agent look into what the new address should be instead of his home for the complainant.
why don't you have that discussion with APA Drain and let her verify that the complainant is not there? And
Okay.
if that is in fact the case, you can submit a stipulated order for him to return back to his residence.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right?
Yes.
And I'll give her a call this morning also.
Is the May 22nd, is that Zoom or in person, Judge?
It's in person.
Okay. Thank you.
And yes, sir. Alex
Yes,
Wire?
Waring, Judge.
Very
I'm standing in for attorney Carolyn Solari. I also do and handle the traffic docket and Judge Garrett's docket. I have to zoom in for a traffic matter, but I'll zoom back in. The case that attorney Carolyn Solari, it's People versus Regnard Peoples.
Okay, we're just waiting on his attorney, Mr. Schuman, who has not arrived yet.
Okay, I got to go handle the traffic matter. I'll zoom back in though.
Okay.
Okay.
I think that may do it for you, Ms. Drain.
I think so.
All right.
All right.
Okay, enjoy. Sorry we worked you so hard today.
And it's okay. No problem. I'll see everybody tomorrow.
All right.
All right. Bye-bye.
Hello there, Mr. Shulman.
Morning, Judge. Sorry, I was on my cell phone and I was unable to connect for about 40 minutes. I apologize.
Okay, so the APA that's covering for Mr. Peoples stepped away. He should be back soon.
Yeah. Your Honor, would it be possible to have a breakout room with Mr. Peoples?
Okay. All right, how about you say? Join the breakout room, sir.
Would you like me to mute my mic, Your Honor?
Just hang on a sec, sir. Okay, the APA is back. We're ready on the.
Case number 2405-704901. People of the state of Michigan versus Reynard Peoples. Defendant is charged in count 1, criminal sexual conduct, 4th degree. Count 2, assault or assault and battery. Defendant has a habitual offender or offense notice.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge Alex Waringa. On behalf of the people, P number P865990, standing in for attorney Carolyn Solari.
And good morning, Your Honor. Stanford Schulman, P43230, appearing on behalf of Mr. Peoples, who is appearing by way of video conferencing for the Wayne County Jail.
Mr. Peoples, unmute yourself and tell us your name.
Yes, my name is Reynard Peoples, for the record, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Schulman.
Your Honor, Mr. Peoples is asking for an in-person exam.
Okay, the court will continue to plea of not guilty and set this matter for preliminary examination. How's May 22nd at 11 o'clock?
Yes, Your Honor. Is that with Mr. Peoples is concerned that it's not within the time constraint? And I think it is. So that works for me.
The attorney Carolyn Solari let me know that May 22nd, 12:30 p.m. and after works for attorney Solari.
What about May 20th?
May 20th, anytime works.
May 20th at 12:30, Mr. Schulman?
Yeah, that works.
All right, May 20th at 12:30, bond will be continued.
Your Honor, Mr. Peoples wants me to address bond. He's currently on a personal bond with a tether. He's indicated to me that he's homeless, but if you can lift the bond condition as it relates to tether, he will return to the. Mr. Peoples, where did you say you were going to return to the shelter?
Yes, I'm currently staying in the shelter, Your Honor, until I'm working on finding housing. And that's been my housing for the last couple of months. So I would like to go back to a shelter and return back to court whenever I should.
But we're not gonna have you worry about housing right now. We're gonna keep you where you are. So at least the preliminary examination, readdress bond again at that time. For now, bond will be continued.
Your Honor, that's May 20th at what time on May 20th?
12:30.
Very good. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Have a good day, Judge.
Thank you as well.
Thanks.
Yes. I don't know, what should I do now? Just press leave or?
Yeah, you're all set, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Well, that's it for today, folks. Hope to see you tomorrow, same bat station, same bat time. Enjoy the rest of the day.